Hey YouTube, Sam here, doing some scrapping here, and I came by this heating pad, and I've always kind of wondered what was inside, so join along with me if you're wondering what's inside. Well, first of all, we got our wire, we got our garbage, and pretty much more garbage. I'm just going to throw this away. This wasn't even worth tearing into. There's not really any copper or anything really in these. I'm not even sure exactly what these are. Just some sort of a heating element of some sort. It may be worth something, but I'm not going to deal with it. And a board here, probably, I don't know, it's green on both sides, but that doesn't always mean anything. So is it worth, and some brass, is it worth tearing apart? No, it's not even worth enough that I finished tearing it apart here. I would cut the copper wire off of it, get my brass off of it, and the rest I would just huck. Alright, this is Sam, Jack of all, master none. You all have a good one.